Hey guys, John with Tech Reviews 919, where there's no problems, just situations. Today I'm going to do a quick video on a new software that I've been playing with. It's a meeting software, but you can also use it with YouTube and have more than 6 people at a time on your panel. Just checking it out right after this.
No problems, just situations.
Alright guys, let's get it started. I'm going to go over this real quick. I'm assuming it's jitsi.org. It's Meet JITSI. It's a Zoom-like program that you can also use with YouTube. I'm going to show you how to do a quick video. You can name it whatever you want. We can do YouTube test, and then you'll click go, and it's meet.jit.si. Alright, it's going to access the camera, obviously. Then it's going to give you it's very similar. You're going to use that on my phone. You got your screen share button. You can raise your hand if you want to do it that way if you have a group of people. You can open the chat, boom, boom, and then chat privately whoever's in the meeting. You also have your video quality, and you can also change the settings. This will tell you your internet connection, how good it is, and then of course you can turn your mic on and off, your camera on and off. You can also select different channels, etc. You can go in here. You got that's what you can name your name. You can manage your video quality. See, low standard. I usually keep high definition. I'm sure if you have more and more people, you might want to lower, depending on how you're using it. You can use this. Basically, I use it with the Jitsi server, but there's also software you can download to do your own. You also have full screen, start a live stream, which you can do to YouTube. You can also record your meeting. You can also share a YouTube video from a YouTube channel, so that's pretty cool too. Black blur background, I'm not familiar with that. And then you got your settings. You can mute everybody. Speaker status, which is cool because you can see who the big mouth in the group is. It'll tell you how many seconds, how many minutes people are talking, and when you get more people in there. And then you got shortcuts, so you can do all kinds of different things with just a touch of a button. You go into settings. You can change your cameras, your microphones. You go into your profile. You put your profile. You put your email if you want. And then you can sync it with your calendar, your Google Calendar, or your Microsoft Calendar. Different settings in here. The settings you need to use in YouTube, everyone follows me, so everybody can be seen on the screen in YouTube. It's pretty cool. You can believe it's up to 100 people, but they recommend they say around 30, 32, I think it was, that you might start having some issues with latency. Like it might start buffering and stuff, have some issues. But it's actually pretty cool. It's free. There's no limitations as far as time limits. It's an open source program. It is owned by a communications company, I believe, called 8x8. I don't know much about them, but I believe it's a communications company. If you click on your thing, it brings up your settings. So this button right here will change your outlook. So like when there's more people in here, it'll do that. So, and then if you want to share your link, you can hit the copy button and send this link to people. You can also dial in, but I know it works in the States. Someone tested it. My girl, Air 10 picks, and it works. It blocks your phone. Otherwise, your phone's going to pop up in the live meeting. which of course if you're using it for a live meeting, not a big deal because everybody probably has your phone number anyway. You can also password protect it. You can add a password to this, and then that's that. And then you can share it, get in. So once you're ready to go, you can go in here and just do a start live stream. So you're going to go into your YouTube studio. Now you have a new studio. It's a little, I'm still getting used to the new studio, but you can do both. So to get your key, your live YouTube live stream key, you're going to do it two ways. First, you can go to Classic and just scroll down. Scroll down and copy and paste that. Or what you do in the new one, you're going to have to basically create a new stream. So dismiss that. And we'll do JITSI Meet tests YouTube. You can do it public, private, but let's see if I can get somebody to pop in. And we'll do public, and then I can always go back and delete it. But what you do is you're gonna there you go. Scroll down. You gotta check that. Create stream. So you scroll down, and here's the stream key you need. You click copy. You go back. Paste it. Bam. And it says starting live stream.
Live streaming is on.
And there you are. Now, we're going to hit go live. Gone. Now it should be there. Still got a few glitches to work out, but that's how you get it set up and start going. See, and then you take, again, I'll take that, copy it, and then I can send it to people and invite them in. So there you go. And that's how you do the live video. See, I'm showing live now. People are actually probably watching, but we're getting ready to go. What's up, Lobo? I'm doing a video on how to do this. What's up, Tim? See, and that's actually in my studio, but let's see if anybody wants to pop on quick, but just to show how it works. But I don't know if anybody's going to pop on just yet. But yeah, it's pretty cool. This'll come up, and then people populate it, and then you can do a nice little show online. I don't know if anybody will actually come in though. Get ready to go pop over to Superdale's channel. But I'm gonna end this. Once I do it a few times, is actually ending the stream. I suggest ending the stream on YouTube first. Yes. And then you can go in here and you can, should be ended already. Stop live stream. Boom.
Live streaming has stopped.
There you go. Quick, easy. Any questions, let me know. I'm still working with it, still learning about it. But yeah, pretty cool. Till next time, this is John with Tech Reviews 919, where there's no problems, just situations.
No problems, just situations.